Hey, what's up guys? Emmanuel is here. Today I have in the garage the 2017 Toyota Highlander Limited. And after the oil change, you want to know how to reset the maintenance due or maintenance schedule. Whatever message that appear on your dash, you want to be able to reset that. And I'm going to walk you through that pretty quick. So all you got to do here, guys, is press the power button twice, but do not put your foot on the brake. That will be 1 and 2. And everything need to highlight just like that. You got the right, left, up, and down arrow right there. You got to kind of do it quickly, otherwise it go to the, it disappears. So what we're going to do here, we press that thing right there, all right? That one with so many pages, then we press the right arrow. Then we go to the gear. Once we get to that gear, which is setting, then we press OK. All right, when we press OK, you're going to see right there, it's going to be on reset data. It said no or yes. You see them? I didn't hurry up and that screen disappeared. So let's do it again. 1, then you go to the gear. Once you get to the gear, it's on maintenance schedule. You press OK. It's going to be on no. And then you press the up arrow right there. You go on yes. Then you press OK. And so your data has been reset. So once you've done that, that's it. You can go ahead and change your screen to whatever screen you want to be on by pressing the pages again, the one with so many pages, and then look for the screen that you want to be on. I like to be on this screen right here, so I'm going to leave it right there. Alrighty guys, so once you're done there, you can go ahead this time and put your foot on the brake and start your vehicle. And once you start your vehicle, there's going to be no more message popping on the screen because you already reset your maintenance code. That's pretty much how you do your maintenance reset. Alrighty, like I said, everything is cool. You see, that's the screen I like to be on. It's right there. My vehicle have almost 40,000 miles now, if I'm not mistaken. So everything is good. The only thing you see here is my parking brake. All right, I'm gonna take that out a little quick, and my seat belt. Everything looks great. So that's how you do your reset. All right guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, it's Emmanuel. I do vehicle servicing on the Toyota Highlander, the Honda Accord, and I have a Toyota Corolla as well. I'm gonna post all the videos on this channel, and I do a couple product unboxing, a product review, and all the different stuff. So please like and subscribe to support the channel, my friend. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Bye bye.